Hi, I'm Dr. Pierre Vigilance, Director of the DC Department of Health, where our mission is to help promote and protect the health, safety, and quality of life of residents, visitors, and those doing business in the district. We're also working aggressively to protect you and your pet through our animal control and animal disease prevention programs. This video provides some important information and tips on the district's animal policy and the services we provide that can mean the difference between life and death for your dog or cat.
They have been called the perfect pet, man's best friend, and even a member of the family. Why? Perhaps because dogs are loyal, kind, and loving. The truth is, no matter what happens, they will never leave your side when they are treated with love. So the question is, do you love your dog? If you do, one of the kindest things you could ever do for your pet is to give him a license.
A dog license issued by the Department of Health Animal Disease Prevention Division is considered a gift of love for your pet. And it's just one of the very many services that we offer in the city for you and your pet.
For example, if your dog is lost anywhere, the license number can be traced back to you. That's why a license can be a ticket home for your lost dog.
If your dog gets lost, we'll call you so you can come and get your pet.
Your dog's license will make it possible for the Department of Health to contact you if your dog is injured. It also allows us to take your pet to your veterinarian if you cannot be reached. A license could mean a difference between life and death for your companion. Your dog's license is proof that your pet has been vaccinated against rabies. The rabies vaccination protects your pet and your family from a very dangerous and deadly disease.
District law requires that all animals must be vaccinated for rabies and distemper by the age of 4 months. At 8 weeks, they receive their first distemper shot and get a booster every 3-week period until they reach 4 months of age. The first rabies shot is valid for a 1-year period. After that, the second rabies is valid for a 3-year period. All animals must be kept current on their vaccinations.
If your unvaccinated dog or cat is exposed to rabid or suspect rabid animals or has a wound from an unknown source, the law requires that you contact us immediately regarding possible quarantine. This is for your safety and your pets. Remember, it's very important to report all animal bites. Contact Animal Control immediately at 202-576-6664. Here's something you may not have considered. Saving money is another important reason for licensing your dog. Think about it. If your pet is unlicensed, you can be cited and fined. So you really can't afford not to license your dog. Millions of households in the U.S. have pets. Americans spend billions of dollars yearly on pet supplies and food. Still, millions of dogs and cats are given up each year to shelters or left to die on the streets. In fact, every cat or dog who dies as a result of pet overpopulation, whether humanely in a shelter or by injury, disease, or neglect, is an animal who more often than not would have made a wonderful companion if given the chance. The Department of Health is doing all we can to protect your pet from harm, but we can't do it alone.
Another way you can show your pet that you love him is by having him spayed or neutered at an early age. Here we have an example of a beautiful litter of kittens that were turned into the DC Animal Shelter after their owner was unable to find a good home for each of them. Although this litter of kittens is adorable, we may not be able to find homes for each and every one of them.
Did you know that over 8,000 unwanted and homeless cats and dogs must be euthanized each year in DC alone? Perhaps a reluctance in having our pets spayed or neutered is due to certain misconceptions about the procedures and its effects. Here are just a few. My pet will get fat and lazy. The truth is that most pets get fat and lazy because their owners feed them too much and don't give them enough exercise. I want my dog to be protected. Spaying or neutering does not affect a dog's natural instinct to protect home and family. A dog's personality is formed more by genetics and environment than by sex hormones. I don't want my male dog or cat to feel like less of a male. Pets don't have any concept of sexual identity or ego. Neutering will not change a pet's basic personality. He doesn't suffer any kind of emotional reaction or identity crisis when neutered. I'll find good homes for all the puppies and kittens. You may find homes for all of your pet's litter, but each home you find means one less home for the dogs and cats in shelters who need good homes. For dogs certified by a licensed vet as neutered or spayed, the fee for a license is $13. The license fee for all dogs without sterilization is $46. That's why to neuter and spay is the kindest way. Contact your veterinarian for assistance or call the DC Animal Shelter at 202-576-6664. So remember, love your dog. Be a responsible owner. License your dog. Leash your dog. Obey the law. Vaccinate your dogs or cats. Evacuate with pets in an emergency.
Remember, the Department of Health conducts animal disease prevention and animal control services and assists the public with animal-related problems. Our services are available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
For more information, call 202-576-6664 or visit our website at doh.dc.gov.